Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. I am your SST teacher for grade 3. Take out page number 13, chapter 4, unit 1, People's Affect Habitats. Do you know that what are habitats? By habitats we means home. People also change the environment by polluting it. Pollution is when the environment becomes dirty and not safe to use. What do you mean by pollution? The word pollution means that something which is harmful, it's injurious to health. Let's read further. Air pollution. The smoke from factories, the exhaust fumes from the cars, the smoke from burning fuels. Now, what do you mean by the word exhaust? Exhaust means the gas that is emitted from the car. They all spread harmful chemicals into the air. These chemicals harm people, animals, and plants. Living things either fall sick or die by the harmful chemicals. In the picture, you can see that this is the smoke from the factories. It is injurious to health, as we read over here that even living things can die from this kind of pollution. The next is water pollution. Now waste from factories and cities is discharged into water courses. Now discharge means that all the waste from the factories and cities is allowed to flow into the water. Now rainwater carries dirty material from the land into the water. Some of these materials are poisonous. Poisonous means that they causes death, right? They harm plants and animals in the water and spoil their habitats. Habitats, as I told before, that habitats means homes. So this polluted water even destroys the habitats of animals and plants. In this picture you can see a factory, right? And all these are the factory wastes, and this is the polluted water that is coming from the factories, right? And also over here you can see the smoke that is emitted, which comes into the air pollution, right? So from this picture, the air pollution plus the water pollution is clear to you. Now the next is land pollution. Factories discharge waste onto the land. The garbage that we throw away is also harmful. Now what is the garbage? Garbage is the waste, and you know that this waste includes the wrappers or whatever you eat, like you eat chips or toffees or whatever you are eating and you're throwing away the waste material, that is known as the garbage. The garbage that we throw away is also harmful. Understand? So even that garbage which you throw around is also harmful. Because why is it harmful? Let us read. It spreads diseases and ruins the soil, right? What do you mean by ruins? Ruins means it destroys the soil completely. Animals eat the waste material that is thrown away. They may fall sick or die. Now, the waste material that is thrown outside, and you know that various animals, they live around and they eat these waste materials, so they may fall sick and even they can die too. Now let's read further. Remember, when we add anything harmful to the land, water, or air, we are polluting it for all living things, including humans. We should try to protect our environment and reduce pollution. In this picture, you can see all the garbage that is thrown around. From this, we understood that even the garbage or the waste materials that we throw around are harmful for all living things, including humans, for animals, for plants, for human beings. So, we should try to protect our environment and we should not throw garbage everywhere. I hope the topic is clear to you, students. It's enough for today. Thank you.